The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Maoyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tech kum ki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksaw point rimlak. Just wow.
Actually, yesterday was the last day of the session as per the agenda given to us. This is the agenda and the session ends on 7th of August. So we were not notified of extending it officially. So since it was the last day, we wanted the bill which would amend Rule number 128 and 129 of the Autonomous District Council rules, bringing about a change in who can vote and who can be included in the electoral roll. So there was a committee set up by the previous executive committee, and the committee has recommended certain changes. And when we checked the recommendation of the committee and the bill, it was not the same. There was changes there. So we felt that since it was the last day, it has to be discussed yesterday. So we requested Honorable Chairman to table it, but they said they will be tabling it on Monday. So I had to stand because no notification was given to us about extending the session till Monday. Only notification we got, the agenda we got is that the session starts on 28th of July and it ends on 7th of August. So this is a very serious issue. So we had to raise our voice. We had to demand for the tabling of the bill for discussion, since for us it is the last day, but they refused. So the commotion started, and we feel that there is a manipulation going on. They're working discreetly, and why without any notification they are extending the session? Who is coming? Who is coming on Monday? Why it has to be extended till Monday? That is a question which has put doubts in our mind. And we feel that it's not going in the right direction. So the commission was not intended. It was a reaction given by all the opposition MDCs against the ruling MDCs. The NPP and the TMC are the ruling MDCs. And we, BJP, the Garo National Council and the independents are kept as a opposition. In spite of not having any provision in the constitution that there can be an opposition bench in the district council. So that was the issue why there was commotion in the district council yesterday. Thank you.
Byrnihat ne Byrnihat. What karukom thoru kalay pair. Ka Byrnihat batho du wai ka don ha Meghalaya. Henry ka Byrnihat batho du yupat ka don ha Assam. Ka wei ka nongba. Henry lapya alyang du put du Sam chunki jilla. House name Hajar Prasaw. Ka kai pot jaka birthday ka lapinni eka kerteng jaka Byrnihat ha kamat Henry ya ka kubo jaka jingsha bunsin laklet but omshim lala ban pin pao.
Nama ime de lasa laslem de ladon hi jaga sanpo kumbangi kinong shong iti bi ba ka berni ka hap lang bat ka border Assam. Hindi ban ong ba kal air ka one way tang na Assam ke tang na Meghalaya. Kalong hap reng mo ba ka hap lang ka Meghalaya bat ka Assam border.
Ki karkhana badon hakani ka nong baru. Kilong ki bala benta hapadeng arjela ka jingyar ka long kumba 100 square kilometer na padeng gani 8.5 square kilometer ta hap hapo Ripoi district ha Meghalaya kat balai point khat like square kilometer ka basa ka hap hapo ka Kamrup metropolitan district ha Assam banpin bet ikamat jong ka jinglong jingman jong ka leer ka Meghalaya state pollution control board kadang petngon Manla Kapor, ka CAA QMS Continuous Ambient Air Quality Monitoring Station, but ka Manual Monitoring Station, kipet patho ya ka jinglong jingman jokal air klem sange.
Kadero kabajan bahabat ka bordar Assam, tanglay 100 kilometer ay don bat ka bordar Assam. Kajing ya per jongkal air kala don sibun. Kala duna sibun, kala kam khoj, kala kam pengat, nang takini kiding kisi jeruk dangi pej mentah berkipar kiba mensua kala ya per sibun kila jerengam ba. Kepolisian tak kadang baik sisin baki lah dan ki factory mo ya katangin laban lenre ban ang hadu bakan dakta hadu kata-kata kumba kimi dia long ngitengim lar ban ya menjur.
Hakador ba jong ka ying dor ba thau an Menteri Rangba ka Chila u ong bo la tho shu Menteri Rangba ka Assam ban thau ya ka joint committee.
यहाँ का जो रियल फैक्ट है जो मतलब मेन पोल्यूशन था जो फैक्ट्री था पहला मतलब रहने का मुश्किल हो गया था यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट ने भी बीच में बहुत सारा फैक्ट्री शट डाउन कर दिया लेकिन पहला से बहुत अभी थोड़ा रिलीफ है और शांति है रहने के लिए
Kala air ka bayat kam sange haupur usam Henry ban ong ba Byrnihat Mikhalia ka day ka nong ba ka ba jabotam ka penyalam bakla ye gibreo